The PlayStation 5 can overheat due to several reasons, and addressing these issues can help resolve the problem. One of the main causes is poor ventilation, as the console requires consistent airflow to maintain a safe operating temperature. To fix this, ensure the PS5 has sufficient space around it, away from walls, rugs, and cabinets, and place it in a horizontal position. Another reason for overheating is dusty vents, which can block airflow and cause the console to overheat. To resolve this, switch off the console, disconnect it from the power source, and use compressed air or a vacuum to remove dust from the vents. It is also essential to remove any obstructions and wipe the console clean. System cache issues can also lead to overheating, as a full or corrupted cache can hinder the console's ability to process data efficiently. Rebuilding the system database can help clear the cache and resolve the issue. This can be done by powering down the PS5, pressing and holding the power button until a second beep is heard, and then selecting the Rebuild Database option using a connected controller. Outdated system software can also contribute to overheating, as it can hinder the console's performance. To address this, go to the Settings, select System and System Software, and check for updates. Installing any available updates can help optimize performance and manage heat more effectively. If the issue persists, using a cooling stand or installing an external M.2 SSD heatsink may help maintain a cooler temperature during extended gaming sessions. By addressing these potential causes, it is possible to fix an overheating PS5 and ensure a safer and more efficient gaming experience.